things in here, they are broken. So, if you are a student and you are in civil, mechanical, even ECE to some part, electronics and communication, you have to design some circuit boards in AutoCAD. So let's keep it specific to AutoCAD. However, this applies for all these courses. So if you see from Tinkercad, Fusion 360, Revit, AutoCAD, and 3ds Max. Oh, acha, Maya is also here. I actually, when I was searching for Maya, you see, this is not this is not selectable. They have just put in an image. So yeah, Maya is also here. Advanced Tail, AutoCAD, Maya has been known to be, industry friendly. These are all the basically flame format. These are the software that you need to learn if you want to, get placed, your industry get placed in, get a proper job. You need to know these things at least. And my camera went away. Just give me a minute. Yeah. So these are the things that you need to know. And if you just, you cannot afford them. Simple as that. You cannot afford the general license. You cannot, you're a student. You are not supposed to. Anyway, so the point is you can get all these. You can get all these software. As you can see, most of them are not available on Mac, and that is why I don't tell you to get Mac. Anyways, so how many products are on Windows out of 45? 45 on Mac. No, let's keep it for another day. Anyways, I have not recommended anyone to buy a Mac. Yeah, the point is you can get all this software for free if you just do this. If you go to this website, this is the AutoCAD support. I'll link it down there. So it basically tells you what to do. Okay, so this is the website actually, not that one. Let me just copy it. So if you click on get started, you go to education role, you select student, you put in your date of birth, put something random. No, don't put something random. Put your actual date of birth. Put your actual name, your actual email ID, your actual not actual password. The point is, fill in your accurate detail, the details that show up on your college ID card or student ID card, whichever is applicable. Okay, so once you do that, you will receive a confirmation mail. I got it within 2 minutes, and you confirm your email ID. Okay, and once you done that, once you have confirmed your email ID, you will come to this page. You can see. So this is the page where you have to confirm that you are a student basically, and you have to put in your enrollment date and graduation date. The free subscription is active for 1 year, and any product you download will be of small size, but once you install it, it will ask you for your email ID and password. It will be the latest version if you choose to download the latest version. More on that later. And the point is, so if you put your name, education role, and you put this, so I know about India, so I just searched a few common websites. So yeah, as you know, the Level Professional University and MET, these are the you can say these are kind of like what's the term in America that they use? Community college. Yeah, so it's very easy to get into these colleges where they have basic education that you can build yourself on. So these are the colleges that you will get access to. Of course, there will be some proper colleges also. There is my college out there, and there is where it is. Okay, both my colleges are here. So the point is, I've just checked for India because I know that there are a lot of college here. Okay, and you have to type in the list is very big. You will get a year of access. After the year of access, you can re-upload your documents, And as long as you're in a college, you do not have to pay for AutoCAD. You shouldn't. Special terms and conditions are here. The basic thing is, let me tell you what the terms and conditions are. It's you do not use it to make money. That's the basic thing. As long as you are not making money, as not as you are publishing things on internet that you claim are made by you, you can use. So basically, for your education, for your research purpose, for learning, you can use it as often. Okay, that's all. Not only AutoCAD, remember, a few of the software that you see here. Civil 3D is important. AutoCAD, LT, no, I want to talk about Maya. Yeah, so Maya is also very important for 3D animation and whatnot. I think these are broken into 3 categories. What is in media and entertainment? I do not know that. I do not know what is Arnold. It's Global Illumination, Motion Builder, Mudbox, Recap Pro. Maybe it is useful, maybe it is not. I don't know. The point is, don't pay for AutoCAD while you're in college. That's all. See you.